Hey y'all, this is Jessica with Casa Magnolia, and today we're going to talk about 5 things that you can purge today to start your new year off right. So the first thing is emails. Last time I checked on my phone, I had over 3,000 emails that are literally pure junk. So just go through and delete them, and not only delete it, unsubscribe. You all know those companies that email you once a day about deals and stuff that you may not even be interested in. You signed up one time just so that you could look at something on their website, and now they send you an email every day. Instead of just deleting it, really go through at the beginning of the year and unsubscribe from those lists that you don't want to be a part of, and that will really cut down on that email clutter. The second one is magazines, and I am so guilty of hoarding magazines. There's always either a recipe, or I really hoard traditional home magazines because I love to look through the decor. But I would urge you to really go through your magazines. If there's something that you just really love a picture of, or a recipe that you want to save, cut that page out. You can always use page protectors and a 3-ring binder to keep pictures that you really love of, like decor or a room or something like that, or a craft. And then if it's a recipe, take that out, write it on a recipe card, or put it in your recipe binder, and just get rid of the rest of the magazine. You guys, I would be so embarrassed to tell you how many boxes of magazines that I have moved all around this country every time that we move, because I cannot get rid of them. I cannot part with them. So this year, that's one of the things I'm doing, is going through, picking out the pictures that you want to save and get rid of the rest, recycle it all. Third one is beauty products. Now this includes makeup, skincare, especially sunscreen because that expires, maybe even shampoos that you used that you never finished because you didn't like it, stuff like that. Just get rid of it. You can also look at the back of the product and see how long before it expires. Now, I use this as a general guideline, not a law, but that's just me. It's up to your personal preference. But if you look at the back of a product, I'll see it, that you can see that little tub, and that one says 12M. That means 12 months. So it expires 12 months after you bought it. And there's different rules to go along with that. Like, personally, I think that you can keep stuff a little bit longer than that, but like I said, it's up to you. Stuff like lipsticks and stuff, if they have a funky smell, toss it. The fourth one is your undergarments, and I hate to talk about dirty underwear, but if you are grown, you should not be wearing stretched out, holey underwear. Just get rid of it and start the new year out right. Finally, the last one is your pantry shelf staples. So what I mean by that is maybe expired canned goods, expired baking mixes. There are things that you normally tend to realize are expired and throw away, especially stuff in our refrigerator. But sometimes in your pantry, flour and cornmeal and stuff, baking soda or baking powder, that can kind of fall by the wayside, and you just don't realize that, how long it's actually been in there. Then you go to make something and it doesn't work. So take this time. This is the perfect opportunity to go through those items in your pantry, and if they're expired, just get rid of them. So those are the 5 areas that I'm going to be purging for the new year. If you have any great ideas of other stuff that you like to purge around the new year, leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.